Good morning, my friends. Happy Friday. I am so excited to have you here today, knowing we've got a beautiful sunny day out with lots to explore in nature. So let's get started. May 22nd, 2020. Dear friends, today is a fantastic Friday. Over the weekend, I want you to go outside. I have an outdoor math activity for you. Love, Mrs. Jones. So this weekend, I want you to do some exploring outside and some observing, and I'll talk about that in a few minutes. Alrighty, let's start today with our capitals. Capital M in May, capital D in dear, F in friends, T at the start of our sentence, F at the start of the name of the day, O at the start of the sentence, I for I am important. Another I, whenever we're writing I as a word, it's a capital. And here, as I sign off, we get those capitals there. Alrighty, let's look for ending marks today. We start here and we start scanning and we see an exclamation mark, a period, an exclamation mark. No questions today. That's surprising. Usually this week I've had questions every day, but not today. Alrighty, so now I'd like us to look at some syllables. Let's start with the word fantastic, and we do that together. Fantastic. 3. Let's do outdoor. Outdoor. 2. Math. Math. 1. Digraph check. Let's see. No digraphs in fantastic. We've got a TH here as part of the word the, our snap word. Keep going on. We have a TH at the end of the word math. And that is it. All right, today I also want to talk to you about one more thing. Compound words. So compound words are when we take two words and we put them together. So it sounds like two separate words, like we should leave a space, but it's not. We take a word, we put it together, and we get a new word. We have some examples. Let's start with today. We take to and day, we put it together, we get today. Let's take weekend. Week, end. We put it together, we get weekend. Let's do outdoor. Outdoor. We put it together, we get outdoor. Let's do outside. Outside. We put it together, we get outside. Just like lunchbox. Lunch box. Put it together, we get lunchbox. Butterfly. Butterfly. Put it together, we get butterfly. Two separate words coming together to make a compound word, and that's why no spaces between them. Alrighty. Friday, you might think about Friday, but this fry is spelt a little different than the fry something in a pan, so that one doesn't count. We're going to add a 1 today. There it is. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s and 3 1s. So let's make a change over here. We now have 163 days. No longer 18, it gets smaller than 1 by 1. What's 1 smaller than 18? 18, 17. So now we've got a 7. We'll double check our math. 3 plus 7 is 10. So we trade for a 10 by putting a 0 there to show no more 1s. We traded for a 10. 6, 7, 8, and the 100. 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 161, 162, 163. 17 days left in our school year. We've had a lot of learning this week about national symbols. We've learned about the Liberty Bell. We've learned about the American flag. We've learned about the Statue of Liberty. We've learned about the bald eagle. This weekend is a long weekend. Why? Because of Memorial Day. Memorial Day is a day that we remember all of the people that fought to keep our country free and independent. We've heard those words a lot this week. Liberty, independence, freedom. We know that liberty means being free. And we know that word independent because we use it all the time in the classroom. Independent means something I can do by myself. So when we're independent, that means we're free to make our own choices. Hopefully we're making good choices. But Monday is a day to remember all those people that helped to protect our country, to make sure that we still are able to have our freedom and our liberty and our independence. So you might want to think about some of our national symbols over the weekend as well. Okay, so I did not grab my temperature. Let me grab it right now. I'm stepping out of the screen for a minute. There it is. 54 degrees today. So we had 42, 46, 46, 46, 54. Oh my word. They're in the right order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you can see we got warmer. Starting the week at 42, ending at 54. 42, 46, 46, 46, 54. Not very many changes as the week went on, and it's only going to get warmer today. That's why I want to get you outside. So here is your math challenge. And you can do it today. If you want to count today as part of your weekend, you can do it over the weekend. You've got Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You're going to go outside in nature. I've made a graph. Doesn't have to be printed out. You can make a graph too. I want you graphing birds, frogs or toads, snakes, butterflies, and ladybugs. Count how many you see, get them graphed. Then, which one had the most? Which one had the least? And what was the total? And if you want to do a you choose, you could do an other. Maybe you run into something really interesting out there. Maybe you find a salamander or something really interesting. You could add an other, something else that you saw. So I want you outdoors, observing nature, but also including some of your math work. Alrighty, the hard one I think is going to be the total, but I know you got this. I wish you a wonderful long weekend. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That means Tuesday we'll do weekend news. I'll bet you'll have a lot of it. I will see you on Tuesday, but until then, keep a picture in your pocket, a poem in your head, and I will do the same. Goodbye for now. I miss you.